How wildfires are polluting the world's air. In 2024, smoke from Canadian wildfires didn't just choke cities at home. It traveled all the way to Europe. This is no longer a local problem. Wildfires are now a global driver of air pollution. The UN calls wildfire smoke a witch's brew of pollutants. The most dangerous? PM-II.V, microscopic particles that penetrate deep into your lungs and even your bloodstream. Here's the link. Hotter, drier conditions from climate change make forests more flammable. And when they burn, they release greenhouse gases, fueling even more warming. It's a dangerous feedback loop. Wildfire smoke doesn't respect borders. Fires in Canada last year triggered air pollution spikes across Europe. The World Health Organization estimates more than 4.5 million premature deaths each year are linked to air pollution. Wildfires are now a major contributor to this silent killer.